everyone. This is Group 20, group members Alexis, Dylan, and Ibrahim. So for our NAE challenge, we decided to provide access to clean water. So one of the biggest challenges for this is that over 2 billion people lack clean water, causing health issues and waterborne diseases. Also, 5,000 children dying daily. We chose this because access to clean water is a basic human right, and solving it would improve health and quality of life globally. Our first initial idea was considering creating a household water filtration device, but then we realized that it would be better to provide this on a bigger scale. Community-level solution would be more impactful. It would also be more reliable considering some families will not have the money or ability to keep something like that working, whereas a community could.
For our final concept solution, we developed a small, affordable, solar-powered water distillation unit. It is low cost and easy to maintain once set up. It is scalable for the community use, providing a reliable clean water source, especially for the rural and off-grid communities. For the refinement process, we noticed an evolution. We shifted from the household filters to a community-scale solar power distillation unit, focusing on creating affordable modular design that can be scalable depending on the needs. Now the challenges were balancing cost with effectiveness, especially in the low-income areas, ensuring that the design can purify diverse water sources, for example, contamination rivers, wells, or rainwaters. It must be able to do this refinement process with any kind of substance in the water.
Hello, my name is Dylan Shad, and I'm a part of Group 20, providing access to clean water. For the research, we had to know what harmful pollutants would be in the water that we needed to get out of the water to make it safe. We had to investigate sustainable, locally sourced materials, making it cheaper to build and better for the environment, especially in rural areas. Then we had to focus on areas with water shortages in general. You know, some places have worse areas for water, like rural regions of Africa and Asia. Our next step was building it. So you have to have a prototype that works, and which can take a very long time. Then it has to be field tested because we have to know that the prototype works. Then we have to determine how much it costs. It has to be affordable and sustainable in the long run, especially for places with poor incomes. Then we need to be able to mass produce it, so that would help us. We need to collaborate with others, governments, help us to get it around the world, and then scaling. We need to consider our original plan and then make it to where it's big enough to be able to be used around the world. And then on the slide 8 is all of our sources that we used. We had 4 main sources, links that you can click on and see where we gather our information.